Hello everyone, welcome to the session on this channel. So today we'll be discussing the degree of alcohol. So this is also an important one, an easy one. So let us understand the degree of alcohol through an example. So I have three scenarios. So one I have this one. With these examples we'll be understanding the degree of carbon. So in the three cases, so first in the previous lecture I have taught you the degree of carbon. So that one is used in this one, in this lecture. So what is the degree of this carbon? The degree of this carbon is 1 as it is directly attached to only one carbon. So what is the degree of this carbon? The degree of this carbon is 2. And what is the degree of this carbon here? Is 3 as it is directly attached to 3 carbons. Right. So, what is the degree of alcohol? So, the degree of alcohol is same as the degree of carbon to which the OH group is directly attached. In this case, in this first case, here the alcohol, that is OH, is directly attached to this carbon which has a degree 1. So the degree of this alcohol would become 1, right? And in the second scenario, the OH is directly attached to the carbon having degree 2, that is this one. And in this case, it is directly attached to the carbon having degree 3, right? This one, this carbon. So let me draw it again, this one. So the degree of alcohol is same as the degree of hydrogen to which it is directly attached. So let us do another example. Let us take another example. So one thing that you must remember is you have to know the degree of carbon to know the degree of alcohol. Okay? Without knowing the degree of carbon, it's difficult to know the degree of alcohol. So you may watch my previous lecture in which I have explained the degree of alcohol in detail. So let's solve this example. What is the degree of this carbon? So that is alcohol. This is the degree of this alcohol. The degree of this alcohol would be 3 as the carbon through to which the alcohol is directly attached is having the degree 3. Same here, this carbon is having a degree 2, so the alcohol will also have the degree 2. And here it is having a degree 1, so the alcohol would also have a degree 1. So let's take a last example in this session, that is phenol. So you must be familiar with phenol. This is phenol. What is the degree of this alcohol? It's 2. And one last example is this. What is the degree of this alcohol? Simple, 3. So that's it for today. So today we have discussed the degree of alcohol. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing the degree of amine, which is also an important part. So till then, keep practicing. Bye.